upbeat music playing in the background. Cut to a brightly lit kitchen, with the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop on the left and the Shark S7001 mop on the right. Welcome back to the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the battle of the steam mops. On my left, we have the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop, perfect for those who think their floors deserve a spa day. And on my right, it's the Shark S7001 mop, guaranteed to clean your floors efficiently. Gestures to each product, so grab your rubber gloves and let's get steamy. First up, let's talk about the price. The Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop is priced at $149, which some reviewers say is worth every penny due to its performance and durability, as one reviewer has purchased it 3 times in 10 years. In contrast, the Shark S7001 mop is often found at a lower price point, with one reviewer calling it easy to use and efficient, especially for homes with pets. However, some users question whether a low price reflects on its longevity and effectiveness. So, if you're on a budget, the S7001 might be your best friend, but the Professional Steam Pocket Mop has proven its worth over time. Next, let's talk about performance. The Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop is known for blasting away dirt and grime quickly. Reviewers appreciate its 3-level steam setting, which helps tackle tough messes effectively. Meanwhile, the S7001 mop is also designed for effective cleaning, but has received mixed reviews regarding its performance longevity. Some users praise its ability to handle tough cleaning tasks, while others mention issues with durability after a few months. So, if you want a mop that delivers consistent results, the Professional Steam Pocket Mop might be the better choice. Now let's get into ease of use. The Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making cleaning feel effortless. Reviewers have highlighted its convenience and effectiveness without harsh chemicals. On the other hand, while the S7001 is also easy to use, some users reported it requires more effort to operate. The self-moving feature is a plus, but it can be unpredictable. So if you want a hassle-free experience, the Professional Steam Pocket Mop may be the way to go. Now, let's talk features. The Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop comes with a double-sided cleaning pad, which multiple reviewers found to be a game-changer for efficiency. In comparison, the S7001 features spinning pads that some users love, but it has been criticized for losing stickiness over time. If you want a mop that offers superior functionality, the Professional Steam Pocket Mop is the clear winner, whereas the S7001 might be a simpler option with fewer features. In summary, the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop is highly favored for its performance, durability, and ease of use, making it a top choice for serious cleaners. The Shark S7001 mop, while popular for its budget-friendly price and decent cleaning capabilities, may not hold up as well in the long run according to some reviews. Ultimately, it comes down to what you value more, reliability or cost-effectiveness. So there you have it. The Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop is the steam cleaning champion, while the Shark S7001 mop is still finding its footing. If you're serious about keeping your floors clean and have the budget, the Professional Steam Pocket Mop is your go-to. But if you're looking for a freebie and don't mind a little struggle, the S7001 is just a click away. Remember, whether you're mopping spills or trying to impress your in-laws, buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.